Hey guys, Tall Dan here with my wife Britt. So we're doing our annual scrap pickup this year. We have a big turnout so far, over 30 people I think. Britt's trying to get the lists organized to make the pickups easier, how close they are to one another, and go from there. But we'll show you guys how our day goes and different things we're picking up. I'm surprised some of the people that contacted us. Britt, you got anything to say? She's tired. She worked all night, but she loves me so much, and I can't believe she got up to help me do all this. Alright, we'll see you guys on the road. Peace. Alright guys, we're just about to leave. Just gotta load everything up, the straps, hand truck, get the truck and trailer hooked up, and then we're out of here. But I can't believe how many people we got. Just as I was sitting there eating, I had like 3 more people message me about getting stuff picked up and all that. So we don't even know if we're going to get it all done today, and we like try to guarantee people we'll be there between 8 and 12. It's already 7:30 right now. So there ain't no way we're getting to anywhere by 8. Now all I want to do is just get out of here. Britt's getting ready right now, so pretty soon we'll be out of here. Alright. So we got scrap already. We didn't even leave the neighborhood. Yeah, little salt spreader or grass spreader. This is awesome. We're gonna have a good day. Alright, so we're at our first place right now. Gotta pick up a grill real quick. We're gonna run out, grab that, throw that right on the trailer. But all these people send me messages, send me an address, let me know where the item is, give me permission to grab it, and I gotta walk up the long driveway to grab it. But that's what we're, well, you can't even see it. Picking up this little grill, not bad, but we'll unload the crap out of this trailer, and we'll probably drop it at home. That way I could take some stuff apart. Maybe that's stainless. Doesn't look like it, but some are, some aren't. This is the life of a scrapper right here. No matter rain, shine, I'll go out and pick up anything. Britt just relaxes in the truck. She finds the addresses. Alright. Oh, by the way guys, this is the new trailer. This is the one I went to New York for. Picked it up. So it looks, I don't want to get the New York tags on there. Didn't get to switch it yet. Alright, gate's a little iffy. Didn't try that while I was there. Alright, well, I'll load this up and then we're on to the next place. Hopefully we get some bigger scrap instead of just a grill here, a grill there. This doesn't pay the bills. Alright, I'll see you guys. Alright, so as we were driving, just happened to roll up on these 2 houses being cleaned out. A little bit of scrap here. Got a washer over there. We're gonna load all this up real quick. Switch you guys right there. Nice bed frames. Love bed frames. They weigh a lot. They're easy to put on, take off. Alright, I don't see anything else. I don't want the old TV, even though there is copper in it. I would take it apart right here, but we got so many other stops, guys. Like, it's amazing. Oh, we might even got some brass up there. Alright, guys, let's pull up a little bit. Oh yeah, we got some copper. I gotta drop the gate for this one again. Oh, that's the hardest part, getting in and out the truck. Oh yes. Oh, you ain't copper, but I will take you. Maybe those little lights on there could be like sold. Got some brass, I think. There was the copper. That sink. Might just throw that in the truck and take that apart when we get home. Yeah, best thing to do. Set you guys there. So we gotta, oh, I don't even know where to set you guys. A lot of running around all day. Got that all situated. Brought this gate. Nice, beautiful neighborhood, though. Alright, see you guys at the next place. All I can say is this gonna be a hell of a day. Trash guy's already going around, so we're race against the clock. So we're arriving at our next stop. Supposedly it's this blue house. Oh, okay, there's our scrap, what we wanted. They said they got a mailbox, fridge, and a basketball hoop. Alright, Air Brit, hold that because I got backup in here.
It's not doing it.
It's recording. Nobody wants your hand.
You're hitting the curb.
I'm going up the curb.
Damn, car.
Well, you know, people are impatient. I gotta fix it myself because that car messed me up. Show people.
Screen's off.
Screen always goes off. See, we're still new to this GoPro thing. Oh, how do you break a basketball court hoop in half? Like, I guess it came apart. And there's our mailbox. Alright, we'll load all this up. Grill fell over. If you ever get some grills, the plates in there I dumped out all the rust and all that. But like I was saying, these plates, they're heavy metal. So you save all these when you get a bunch of them. Throw them in with your heavy metal and you get paid heavy. Found some kind of blade. Oh, lawnmower blade on the side of the road. So that was some good scrap. Oh, just throw all this on. Alright, let's get this thing through. Alright, we just got that on. My new trailer's getting its workout for today. Whoa. Come on. Oh. Heck yeah. Now all I need is somebody to come over with his dang machine, drain the oil out that fridge, and we'll get the motor out of that. Holy crap, this pipe's like heavy. Oh my god. Oh, this thing got like concrete in it or something. Just broke that. What's it called? We picked up. Yes. Broke the sink we picked up. No mailbox. This is aluminum. That's a score right there. We might even sell that. Got a nice milk can. I know I shouldn't be showing people's houses, but you know. Oh, showing their house again. I'm not trying to. Just trying to get this gate up. Alright, we'll see you guys at the next place. Thank you for watching if you're watching. If you made it this far in the video, please like and subscribe. I'm trying to do my own YouTube channel and just get myself out there like Buddy Dave has. And don't want to be on his channel all the time. Alright, see you guys. Alright, so we had to pull over because our grill is about to fall off the trailer because I didn't put any straps on it yet. And then we found some more scrap. Oh, baby, you're gonna be heavy. Oh, of course. Yeah, I hope you guys like the sky. Sorry, I'm like flopping you all around. Oh. Yeah, we don't care. We just throw it right on. Let me fix all this. just let me know. I'll be going to Bedford on my own due to she gotta go to work. I'll back this right up against the gate. Fell over once so far. Alright, and we're still on to our next place. So far this day's going pretty good. Can't complain. Alright, so we had everything fall. And we're at our next stop to pick up a grill underneath their deck. They said it's falling apart. Oh, I couldn't back down this big driveway. They said it's falling apart, so we gotta go see what we can do with it. Pick it up, drag it up this driveway, and we're totally behind on all our stops, but let's see how we do. Okay, I see the grill. I don't want to record everybody else's stuff around here. Alright, oh, it's a big grill, huge. Okay, so oh, yeah, it literally just fell apart. Totally falling apart. Look at that. Ugh, we don't want to get cut by any of that. So I'm gonna put you guys on time lapse. Alright, so we got the grill on. I want to throw some straps on the fridge and all that. Just keep it from falling again, and we'll be on to the next place. But I'm totally out of breath from that long walk. People trying to kill me. Don't put that in. Alright, see you guys later. Alright, so we're arriving to our next stop. I'm sweating up the truck right now. Okay, we got a good amount of stuff right there. Heck yeah. Alright, we're gonna throw all this right in the truck real quick. Oh. We're gonna hopefully make a few dollars today. Oh yeah, we got a bunch of stuff. Look at all that. That's some good stuff. Oh, and it's heavy. Ooh, nice big dog too. Alright, set you guys back on time lapse. Alright, so we got all that loaded on. We'll be on our next way to the next stop. Britt says we're not even halfway done, so gonna have to make a stop at home, drop this trailer, and pick up another one. Alright, let's get on our way. Oh, we just scored. We got some brass and some fence. This wasn't even on our stop. Look at this. And copper. Oh, nice. See? Love it. I love it. This is awesome. Looks like to a compressor or something. Oh. See, I don't want to hit my truck. So I'm easy with it. Oh, you gotta love when it's not on a stop. It's like extra money. And we don't turn down that extra money. There we go. Load this up. Oh, oh, I'm getting stabbed. I'm getting stabbed. Oh. Yeah, I should be wearing gloves, but I gotta go buy more. Money's been a little tight. Paid some of my big bills off, so got no capital saved up yet. But all right, now we're on the road again. Yeah, so people just put out more stuff. We got a brass bed frame. Here we go. Damn, we're doing good now. People are putting out all their garbage. Oh, I still hear him. Yep, she's saying, oh, the guy just pulled out. That's good. She saw me driving by, I bet. More bed frames. Oh, that brass is beautiful. Alright, we're on the wrong side of the road. Hopefully no cops stop by. If they do, we'll just be like, hey, I'll buy you a donut. No, I'm sorry, that was kind of rude, but I love the police. My dad was actually a corrections officer, and God rest his soul. Everybody loved my dad. Dad always took care of the people, and that's the way I was brought up, to always help people out, always take care of people. All right, now we're back on the road again.
Watch him.
That is a cop, Britt.
I know, now you're getting pulled over.
All right, so we're about to take off. Please stopping by.
Okay, I should let you go.
But now we're on our way.
That was nice, Emma.
Yep, the cop was nice, and I was just talking about him. But that's why I love the police. Another thing is, they always stop by my house where I live because I have cameras up around my property, and whenever there's a crime going around, they always stop by to look at my cameras, which I always appreciate. And I always tell them, if they ever need anything, don't hesitate to stop by. All right, we're on our way to the next one. Oh, we're finding stuff left and right, people. Oh, and we got some stuff falling off too. Maybe, I don't know. Hopefully that didn't hit my truck. I don't see anything, but look at this. Some metal shelves. Oh, they smell like oil. God, I wish I had my gloves. We weren't even to our next stop yet. Thing that stinks is I just realized once I get home to switch trailers, I gotta unload all the stuff that's in the back of my truck. So I should have been throwing it on the trailer. That way, could just drop the trailer. But no biggie. We're making money today. We're rolling up. We didn't even get past that other stop. Rolling up to something else. That's all garbage. Alright. Guess there was nothing at that place.
Watch the person.
Yep, people were walking in the middle of the road.
One hamster.
Oh, he's stopping me.
Shelving on the street. On
I literally just stopped there and got it.
Oh, I'm sorry. Okay.
Yep, have a good one. Thank you.
One. I don't know where one is.
I didn't really want to record the guy's face. So he was the guy who just put out the shelving and I already stopped and got it.
Is that one? Yeah, there's your bins.
Oh, okay. And we got some trash cans right
You
here.
need your bucket.
What do I need to...
Shit, it's heavy. It had like 50 pounds of stuff in it.
Let me muscle that. I don't want to show people that I'm weak. Alright. I don't know where to put you. Oh, first gotta put the vehicle in park. That's the most important thing. Alright, let me run up and grab this. I hope I didn't get this out. Don't. So if you guys are still watching this, don't make fun of me running. I know I run a little funny, but we're still at it. I don't know what time it is. 9:30. We got all this Oh, it's hot in here. All right, on to the next. All right, so we just pulled up to another stop. I think we got a washer here. Yep. So get that up here. Put you guys on time lapse again. Save you guys from watching me huff my ass again. Ooh. Oh, that almost caught my finger. Look at that. We gotta fix this fence. Yep. Life of a scrapper. Alright. So we got that all done. Just putting up the gate now. We'll be back on our other place. What did I do with that? Always gotta remember to put this pin in. I don't wanna hit nobody as the trailer's gone. Alright. Jump back in my truck. Let's get going. Alright, so we just got to another stop after a 30-minute drive. Got a big basketball hoop I see right here. She told me to take. Usually I don't like taking these because they have the plastic stand on it and I gotta get rid of that at the dump. But I'll take this one since it's so big. And she said there's a grill in the back. Okay, grill's all covered up, but broken wheel and everything. Looks like taking this. If not, don't message me and hopefully I don't get arrested. But I do have their address and I'm saying to come pick it up, so never had any problems doing this so far. And we're almost at a full trailer. So then I'll have to go home, switch trailers, and that will be the end of this video. Next run we'll probably make another video with that. Hey, Brit's coming out. She's gonna tell me we're at the wrong house. Huh?
She said, don't take the hoop.
Why?
Because that's not at the end of the driveway. This is like the end of the driveway.
That's the end of the driveway.
Huh?
That's the end of the driveway. We can take that. I mean, the grill was in the backyard. See, I thought she was trying to tell me I'm at the wrong house. I'd be like, oh, Britt, don't do that. Got people waving. People are happy when I come around. Pick up scrap. Alright. Put you guys back on some time lapse. How to... Dang, this propane thing's heavy. Alright, time lapse, time lapse. As you guys can see, this thing was filled with water, so I'm draining that out. Got it wedged in there pretty good. I mean, I don't think I'll get stopped for that, hopefully not. But we're on to the next place. Let that just drain as we're driving. We don't got time to let that continue to drain. I mean, oh, it's already done. That's good. I mean, I'll throw a strap across that later on, but we gotta get going. We're late. All right, jumping back in the truck. What the hell am I doing? All right, guys, if you're still following my video, we're arriving to our next location. They got us going down a dirt road, middle of nowhere, so this should be fun. But I think we picked up from this place once before. Did we, Britt? My wife shook her head yes. She got to understand that you guys can't see her shaking her head, so she got to say yes. I know I'm a little of an asshole sometimes. Oh, these rocks are like kicking up on my beautiful truck. I'm gonna cry. this was the house I got. No, it wasn't. I thought it was the one house I got all them bikes from. This is a house that was hard to. Oh, it's the house with the barn.
Yeah.
Ah, okay. Where's it at?
It's in the end of the driveway on the right.
In the driveway on the right.
Maybe up there. Maybe again.
I don't know. Maybe we'll get out and walk.
It's like
Because I don't want to go up there and I can't back out. Alright. Ooh, we got some more roosters. Nice little stream. I would love to live at. Oh, I guess this tent, door, and some other stuff.
yeah.
Oh, look at them all come out. We're gonna get attacked by chickens. Oh my God, they're running at us. Attack of the chickens. Oh, you guys are awesome. Hi.
Oh, look at the big one.
Where?
The black one.
Oh yeah.
Oh gosh, look at them. They're like.
Yeah, they're like coming out. Oh my God. Oh my God. We're gonna get attacked by chickens. Brent, we gotta get out of here. Come on, grab what you can. Yo, stay. Hey. Oh my God.
Good YouTube.
Yo. Oh my God. Yo.
You're so cute though.
See me while I'm just trying to get the scrap, like I'm picking up stuff like back and white. Okay. You still got some more under the deck. Oh, he's like, what you find?
I want chicken.
Yo. Oh my. Hey, stay away from the truck. What'd you guys find? Ooh, you're a big one. Ooh, he growled at me.
I like that.
Oh yeah, he's beautiful. Oh. See, I can't even pull my truck up because I'll be afraid to run one over. Yeah. See, Britt's all happy. She got to see chickens. Meanwhile, our truck is like loaded up. Oh, I just smacked the side of my truck. I can't even like grab all this metal without YouTubing it because, I mean, look at it. I can't even count, you guys. Like, all right, there's 3, 6, 9, 12, 14, 16, 18, 21, 24, 27, and there's still some in the back. Like, what would you guys do with my finger? People, oh, look at his, like, what are they called? The gobblers? Oh my God. Well, this was an experience for us. We would have never expected. Oh, they took all the copper out. Yeah, still got that's aluminum wires, but this was an experience, guys. We're happy to see it. All right, I'm gonna guys shut you guys off because I gotta load all this up, and then we still got 2 more fridges to pick up. Come on, Britt, do it. Oh, imagine if you threw some like feed out here. Wife loves taking pictures. She loves animals. We're big animal lovers. All right, we'll be on to the next one shortly. All right, guys. Britt's grabbing the last little metal, taking some last minute pictures of the crazy chickens. I mean, how they just all ran out on us. Oh, look at you. Yeah, we wanted to keep it PG-13 because we saw some chickens mating. Wow, look at how... Oh, if I could have that starting the video off, that'd be awesome. But I don't know how to edit stuff like that. Maybe I'll get Naz to edit one of these videos. Come on, do it for me, buddy. Come on. Oh, you getting ready? Hey, what? Ooh. That's like Brit and squirrels. Squirrels don't like Brit.
He's like, now I'm done.
Yeah, he's done. Alright, buddy. We'll see you later.
Almost up to go.
Oh, we got a little bit more metal. What the heck? LG phone. We'll leave that. Oh, now you do it. He's camera shy. Life of a scrapper. You never know what you'll run into. 50 chickens chasing you off the property. Alright. We're on to the next house. That was pretty amazing. I was not expecting that. What do you think, Britt? You love the chickens? Oh, see, my wife is like in love until they like chase her. What do you think of this place, Britt?
I like this place.
Yeah, made my wife all happy. Alright guys, we're out of here. We got 2 more stops for this video, and then we gotta drop this trailer off and get the other trailer, because this trailer will be full. Glad that didn't fall off. Put this grill back where it's supposed to be. Oh, yeah. All right. Yeah, we did a big haul today. All right, we're out of here. All right, so we got all that loaded up. Now we gotta find myself a gas station. Got ourselves 3 air conditioners. But it wasn't that bad of a day. We still have 1 more load to run. Well, 1 more load to bring home. And that'll be our 2nd video. So if you guys like this video, please like and subscribe. Trying to do as much as I can for you guys. I'll see you guys next video. Say bye, Britt.